So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah.
And look at where we're at. We're at Tinkertopia.
Yep, in Tacoma, Washington.
And look at what we have in our hands.
Yeah, we have things that we don't need anymore, so we're gonna donate them to the store.
Yeah, and you can do exactly that. You can donate items, and you can get other people's items and make some really cool crafts.
Yeah.
And that's what we're gonna do today.
I'm so excited. Let's go.
Here you go. You're welcome. Wow, this place is so cool.
Yeah.
Look at all these items.
Oh, there's so much to look at.
Whoa, cool. Whoa. I'm making a movie.
Hey, look at all of these keys.
Wow, I bet those came from a lot of different houses and sheds.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I wonder where all these items come from.
Well, people donate these items to be upcycled.
Upcycling? That's a cool word. What is that?
Well, that's when you have something that maybe you don't want anymore, you can donate it, and when you upcycle it, it's when somebody uses those items to make something brand new.
Wow, cool. Hey, so today we're gonna upcycle these items.
Yep.
We're gonna donate them, and then someone else at some other time will make a really cool craft.
Yeah, hey, let's craft up a plan. We can donate our items, then collect new items to make a craft.
Cool, that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Oh, there's someone over there.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, welcome.
Oh, what's your name?
I'm Miss Darcy. Welcome to Tinkertopia.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. We brought some donations for you.
Yep.
Wow, those look like some good goodies.
Yeah?
Nice and colorful.
Do you think people will be able to use those?
I definitely think the people will use these for their crafts, for sure. Thanks.
I actually have 2 more things right here in my jam pack. You can take these too.
Awesome, bouncy balls.
Cool. Wow, so why is it called Tinkertopia?
Well, we wanted to create a place where crafters, teachers, inventors, all kinds of folks that like to upcycle and repurpose things, a place where they can find those perfect pieces.
Oh, cool. And they can tinker.
That sounds like fun. How do we get started?
Well, we have a session for you today, and I have these humongous bags that you two can go and fill up with your own perfect pieces.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's go. Thanks.
Thanks. Wow, cool. There's so many cool things here.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this, Meekah.
Whoa, what is that?
It looks like a motor. Ring, ring.
Wow.
Yeah, you can attach it to some wheels and then go super fast.
That's really neat.
Yeah.
Hey, what is this?
I don't know. A cat?
I think we could make our very own cat.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Here you go.
Oh, thank
I'll
you.
get one for me too.
Wow. Hey, Meekah, check it out.
Oh,
A big block of wood.
you could do a lot of things with that.
Oh, yeah. We can make a pedestal for a cat. Yeah, and we could write first place on
Yeah,
it.
that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in here? Oh, look, a bunch of tacks.
Whoa, you can tack things up with that.
Yeah, or you could use it as a shaker.
Whoa, and look at these.
Ooh.
Wow, colorful eggs.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
Yeah, they are. I bet that chicken was very colorful. You want one?
Sure, thanks.
All right, you're welcome. Wow, cool. Whoa, so many cool things.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay, I'll see you later. I see something cool.
Okay. Let's see what else is here. Oh, look at all this colorful string. Oh, maybe I could use something for my cat. Cats like to play with string and yarn. Ooh, and a journal. I don't think I'm gonna use that. Ooh, look at this paper. This is really pretty. Crayons! Oh, I definitely want some of these to decorate our cats. Oh, and look, purple, one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna put some in here, some extra for Blippi. Oh, hey, Blippi.
Hey, what are you finding?
All sorts of things. I grabbed you some crayons so you can decorate your cat.
Oh, you got me some?
Yep.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Oh, what are these?
Ah, kind of looks like a trumpet.
Or a megaphone. Hello, hello.
Or a really long nose.
Oh, that's silly. Or an ice cream cone.
Oh,
You wanna
nice. Oh,
Yum.
oh, it's really cold.
All right. Wow. All right. What's over here?
Oh, I want to go check this out. I'll be right back.
Okay, see you soon. Wow, so many cool things. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, a pin. You can put that on your shirt and it says Tinkertopia. Okay, I'll put one in there for me. And I'll grab one for Meekah. Whoa, look at these. A giant paintbrush. Wow, you can make a big art piece with this one. Ooh, or a really small painting with that one. Hey, this isn't a paintbrush. Wow, but I bet you could add some really cool texture to that art piece. Wow. All right, let me put the small one in there. Wow, and let's keep exploring. Whoa, some colorful things. Ooh, this is purple. Wow, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, black, oh, and rainbow colors.
Hey, Blippi.
Oh, hey,
What did you
Meekah.
find?
Well, these are rainbow colored objects. I don't know what they are, but maybe we could use them.
Oh, yeah, these are cool.
Yeah, and I got you a surprise for later.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
Wow, there's so many cool things here.
Yeah, there was so much to look at and explore.
Whoa, look at these.
Wow.
Wow, I wonder what they are.
Kind of looks like onion rings.
Whoa, don't eat those. Or a rubber band. Pew.
Whoa, or a bracelet.
Oh, cute. All right, I'm gonna put some in here.
Yeah.
Wow, whoa, look at these.
Oh, you
Whoa.
could build a really tall tower with those.
Oh, yeah. Will you say the colors with us from top to bottom? Ready? Red, yellow, orange, blue. Whoa, cool. You want half?
Yeah.
All right, two
Thank
for
you.
you, two for me. You're welcome.
All right.
All right, shall we keep exploring?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Looks like a great spot to put our craft together.
Oh, yeah. Let's check out what we got.
Okay.
Whoa! You did grab a lot of stuff.
I got excited.
Whoa, look at this.
Ooh, I like that color.
Yeah, and feel how soft it is.
Oh.
Oh, what did you get?
I have some string.
Whoa. Ooh, I have some ribbon.
Ooh, look at this nice wooden block.
Oh, yeah. Remember my wooden block?
Yeah.
Cool. Whoa. Ooh, hello.
Ooh, I got a really big paintbrush.
Whoa, and look at these.
Oh, cool antennas.
Yeah, thanks. Wow.
Check out this yellow glittery pencil.
Wow, so sparkly.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, here's the cat.
Oh, yeah.
Shall we make these?
I can't wait. Let's do it.
All right. I'm gonna clear some room.
Yeah, excuse me, stuff.
Oh, that's probably, yeah,
Oh,
outside of the cat.
So soft.
Yeah. Okay, directions.
Okay.
Hey, here's my cat head right there.
Thanks, that's so cute.
What does yours look like?
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Wow, it's so cool. These were probably cut out from a newspaper or a magazine or something.
You're right.
Yeah, they're repurposing it.
Yeah. This place is so cool.
Yeah, I love how you can repurpose things. You know, take something that used to be used for something, but then you use it for something new.
Yeah, for example, if you have a water bottle that you're drinking from, once it's empty, you can clean it out, dry it, and use it as a pencil holder.
Wow, it's so good and healthy for the environment to repurpose things.
Yep.
It's less waste around planet Earth.
Mm-hmm. Here's some directions here.
Ooh, I'm gonna be very careful with this. I think these look like the legs, right?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
It does. This is some hot glue, and you always want to have a grown-up help you if you're using hot glue. Let's put on the legs. There's one leg right here. Here we go.
Okay.
Wow, this hot glue is so cool. Yeah, it's very hot when it comes out of that hot glue device. And then it cools down and then it's sticky and dries.
And it sticks really well.
All right. There you go. How are your legs coming?
Pretty good. I have 2 on so far.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a really long cat.
Whoa, yours is really long. Wow, I'm gonna make a medium-sized cat. It looks like this cat body would make it really small and short.
Like a little kitten. Meow. Meow. Look, with my legs going this direction, it looks like my cat's running.
Whoa, cool. You're so creative. Wow.
Thanks.
Whoa.
But my cat can't see because it doesn't have eyes on it yet.
Whoa. Guess we need to put on the head. Whoa. Mine's just standing, ready to eat.
I'm hungry. Please feed me. I'll run and get you some food. Where'd I go? I can't see.
Oh, you're so funny. All right,
I'm gonna
let's see.
put my fur on next, I think.
Ooh, I'm gonna put the head on.
Okay. Nice and soft.
Yeah, it is. Wow, do you like crafting things? Yeah, so fun. You can make anything and everything. You just have to be creative.
Yeah, and use your imagination. That's my favorite.
Yeah, you are very good at being creative and using your imagination.
So are you, Blippi.
Yeah, I didn't even think about making the cat run super fast. Whoa! All right, now for my fur. Yeah.
Ooh.
Go. Oh, our cats are the same color.
Yeah. I wonder if they're siblings or best friends or cousins.
Maybe they live in the same neighborhood.
Oh, yeah.
How's my cat looking?
Whoa, so cute.
Yeah. What's my cat missing?
Let me see. Legs, fur, cute little face. A tail?
Yeah. Okay, this looks like a tail, right? Yeah, it used to be a top of a bag, I think. Yeah, the handle. All right, I'll put some hot glue on this. Wow, there we go. Whoa.
Meow, meow, meow.
Your cat is so cute. Wow, and look at its eyes. They're very green.
Really green.
Wow.
Hold it on so it sticks.
Whoa. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't I cut some of this green felt material, these scissors, and I'm gonna make a robe.
Ooh, fancy cat.
Yeah, like it just got out of the bath. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, this is so much fun. Here you go, kitty. There you go. Wow.
Meow, meow. Blippi, what are you gonna name your cat?
Roby.
Roby, I love it.
It loves robes. Wow. And then look at this. My cat is so extravagant.
Wow.
Yeah, it loves to decorate its tail when it goes out in public.
That's such a good idea.
Yeah, great way to express yourself.
Yeah, I think my cat's gonna wear a little scarf.
Whoa, cool.
Gets a little chilly.
Whoa. Oh, there you go, kitty. Whoa, this has been so
Nice
much
and
fun.
cozy.
Wow, I love repurposing things.
Me too.
Whoa.
Roby,
Yes?
would you like to go for a light jog with me?
Wait a second. I need to know your name first. I don't go on walks with strangers.
Oh, I thought you'd never ask. My name is Barb.
Oh, nice to meet you, Barb. Let's go. Hey, Meekah, I have an idea.
What?
I actually made this cat for you as a gift.
Blippi, I made this cat for you as a gift because I know you like to run fast.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, I know that you love robes.
Yep, anything cozy.
Well, here's Roby for you.
And here's Barb.
Oh, hi, Barb.
Oh, Ruby.
Oh, I love you. You're so cute.
Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow,
That was so much fun making these cats together.
Yeah, it's really cool how you can repurpose these materials to create a little cat.
Yeah, and I love being creative with you.
Me too.
Hi, you two. How did you do?
Oh, you tell us. How did they look?
They look like pretty great cats. Look at their little faces and their different tails.
Yeah, thank you. We had a lot of fun making them.
Yeah, and we even named them. This is Barb.
Hi, Barb.
And this is Roby.
Hi, Roby.
Well, thank you so much for having us. That was really fun.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for coming in. Well, I'm gonna head back to work. I'll see you later.
All right,
See ya. Whoa.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh, meow, meow, meow.
Whoa! Wow, wasn't that so much fun making these crafty cats together?
Yeah, it was so cool how you can use donated items and repurpose them to make something new.
Yeah, it was. And it was so much fun being creative. Wow.
Yeah.
How you made a scarf for my cat?
Yes, and a robe for Roby.
Oh, wow, that was so much fun. Hey, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with us? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job.
Hey, will you spell my name with us? Cool.
M-E-E-K-A-H, Meekah. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah, so much to learn about.